Here's everything you need to know about the hidden features and tips and tricks for using the iPad calculator. Supported calculations, history, access calculator anywhere and anytime using slide over and split view. Let's dive into essential calculator tips. The first trick is to easily open the calculator on your iPad from the control center, home screen, app library, and Siri command. To access the control center, first, add a calculator shortcut to the control center. First, open the control center by swiping down from the top right corner. Tap on the plus icon to add a new shortcut. Now, tap on the Add a Control option and search Calculator to add it to the control center. Now, we can resize the shortcut by dragging the corner of the shortcut. That's cool. When we want a calculator, just swipe and open the control center. Then tap on a calculator to open it. That's it. Another way is to use Spotlight Search by swiping down and finding the calculator in the search. The third way is from the home screen and app library, which, is just like another app. But don't forget to use the Siri command to open Calculator. Just enable Hey Siri from Settings and use Siri to open the control center. Another tip is to use the calculator in slide over and split view with any app for easy user interface and quick calculation. Find the calculator from recent items in the dock. Drag the calculator icon from the iPad dock and swipe up on another app until the calculator makes space to stay there. Or use the three dots multitasking button, select slide over, and find the app you want to use along with the calculator. Convert this into split view and open the calculator in split view like this, which I am showing on the screen. All three modules, Basic, Scientific, Maths Notes with Convert, can be accessed in slider over and split view mode. Just tap on the calculator button to switch between them. Now, let's talk about the advanced features of the calculator on iPad. Just tap on the calculator button to find the scientific option. Scientific Calculator on iPad accesses the scientific calculator in landscape and portrait mode with additional functions like trigonometry, logarithms, and exponents. The classy user interface is easy to use for math calculations. To switch between them, tap on the button again and choose Basic to Maths Notes. Let me share it here. You can copy the result to the clipboard by double tap and copy. You can then paste it into other apps or fields. In addition, all the calculations will never be lost because history and memory save all past data under the sidebar. Just tap on the sidebar icon and see the options. Basic and scientific calculation history is saved under one column, but maths notes are saved under a separate view. That can be accessible while we are using match notes. Do simple to complex calculations using your finger and get the result in a second. All the history will saved in the sidebar under a single note until you create a new note under more options at the top. We can use filter from here and delete multiple by selecting notes and delete or deleting a single note by swipe left from this list as well. Now, convert is a really essential part of the calculation. Do it quickly and easily by just enabling the toggle from any screen. iPad supports 15 different units and convert between them by selecting or search from all units from the top search box. Then, enter the value and get a quick result. To switch the value, tap on the up or down arrow icon, and that's it. That's all the hidden features of the calculator app on iPad. I hope you liked this video. Don't miss like, share, and subscribe for more upcoming videos. Also comment for more help.